equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive maintenance guide for the Dell P48E. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the essential steps to keep your device running smoothly. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, a microfiber cloth, and thermal paste. These tools will help you perform a thorough maintenance check. Begin by powering down your Dell P48E and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. This will expose the internal components of your device. Here, you can see the fans, heat sinks, and other critical parts that may accumulate dust over time. Using the can of compressed air, blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This is important as dust buildup can lead to overheating and reduced performance. Make sure to hold the fan blades in place while you do this to prevent any damage. After cleaning the fans, take your microfiber cloth and wipe down the interior surfaces. This will help remove any remaining dust and debris. If you notice any thermal paste on the CPU or GPU that looks dry or cracked, it's time to replace it. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to ensure proper heat transfer. Now, let's reassemble the device. Carefully place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling or movement. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Once reassembled, plug your Dell P48E back in and power it on. Monitor the performance to ensure everything is running smoothly. Regular maintenance like this can significantly extend the life of your device. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. Finally, if you prefer not to handle repairs yourself, we can provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Remember, with our service, there are no calls, no travel, just convenient solutions for your tech needs. Thank you for following this maintenance guide for the Dell P48E. Regular upkeep is key to keeping your device in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.